how to use auto beat feature in CapCut. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up these simple steps. So for that you may open up your CapCut application first and go ahead and locate up the music video that you would like to go ahead and create up an auto beat for. For example, I have already selected a video, this video right here. Once you've selected the video and placed it in the timeline, all you gotta do is simply tap on the video and different editing options will be available in the bottom. So from the editing options, scroll right and look for the option called extract audio. This one right here, go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, wait for CapCut to extract the audio of your video. It may take about some minutes, so just wait for that to happen. And once it is placed like this, like extracted audio, all you gotta do is simply click on the audio. And after clicking on audio, you may scroll right from the editing options and look for the option called auto beat from here. You can also look for the option called beats. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once tapping on beats, you should be finding an auto generate option on your screen. Go ahead and turn that option on. And once that is done, it will basically need add beats automatically. So you need to confirm this pop-up saying add beats. And once that is done, it will basically take some minutes for the auto beats to be applied to your music in your video. So just do that. And once that is done, you may click on the right icon at the top right, and you should be finding the beats on your video. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.